Researchers at the University of Houston developing a new vaccine that may prevent addiction to fentanyl.
It's been called a game changer. The antibodies bind to fentanyl, prevent it from getting into the brain, and then it is exited from the body. The individual then can get back on the wagon to sobriety.
Dr. Frita Fisher joins us now to help explain. Doctor, thanks for being with us this morning. I hope you'll forgive my confusion to start, but I think it's the appropriate place for us to start. I don't know what the definition of a vaccine is anymore, and I think I'm forgiven for that because it's changed recently. But how is this a vaccine that helps with fentanyl overdose?
All right, excellent question, of course. A vaccine is something that's injected into the body or taken by the body. And what it does is that it stimulates the immune system to create an antibody to block something. Now, you're used to hearing about vaccines when it comes to infections. You give someone a vaccine, they develop antibodies to block the infection. Well, in this case, a vaccine is given and you get antibodies that block the negative effects of fentanyl.
Okay. So, you know, it's a vaccine, therefore, as you just described it, is prophylactic. It's protective. It's something you do ahead of time to keep you from getting whatever the acquired virus or negative effects might be. I think is that a fair characterization?
That's a fair characterization. And in the case of fentanyl, the antibodies will block it, keep it from crossing into the brain. And if the fentanyl cannot cross into the brain, that means the person cannot get high, and so they're no longer motivated to do the fentanyl. And more importantly, the fentanyl is not able to suppress the respiratory symptom center. Fentanyl cannot stop them from breathing and kill them. And that's what's causing over 110,000 overdose deaths a year in this country.
I appreciate that because in that way, it's a synthetic opioid. It operates like heroin. It suppresses your brain's ability to say, hey, breathe. And so people suffocate to death. So let me put this up on screen. 73,000 deaths to those synthetic opioids like fentanyl in 2022. But here's my curiosity when it comes to this vaccine. And I'm not trying to be the pessimist today. This sounds like a great breakthrough. However, it's a mistake for us to think of those 73,000 deaths as overdoses. People who are knowingly taking something and taking too much of it. Many of those deaths are people thinking they're taking something else and being poisoned with the existence of fentanyl. So how would a vaccine help the general population? We're not all going to take this, right?
We're absolutely to take it. Right. And you're right. A lot of them are unintentional overdoses, but they're still overdoses. For fentanyl, it literally takes 2 milligrams of it for it to be lethal. That's 1/10 the weight of a single grain of rice. And many people who don't take fentanyl may take cocaine or smoke marijuana casually or take a Percocet. People are lacing those things with fentanyl. So if you are someone who partakes in drugs, even if it's not fentanyl, by taking the vaccine, you'll prevent yourself from being someone who's been laced unintentionally with the fentanyl. So it still will prevent overdose deaths, and it can help to prevent the addiction if it works in humans. It's only been used in rats and mice right now, animal studies.
And so just really quickly to clarify, so what this seems like it's likely in a practical way to help is drug abusers who want to stop abusing drugs, those who want to stop overdose. But it doesn't help the college kid who buys an Adderall online and gets killed because it has fentanyl in it, because that person doesn't think to take a vaccine to stop the effects of fentanyl.
Right. But depending on the success of the study in humans, perhaps anyone doing a drug should take the fentanyl vaccine. It's premature to say. Right. But the other thing, beyond this vaccine, we have things like testing kits where you can actually test an Adderall or test a pill to see if it has fentanyl in it. That's something a lot of people don't know, fentanyl test strips. And then, of course, we have naloxone, which is an antidote to fentanyl, where if you get an accidental overdose or witnesses you, then you can actually take something. So things that are here now. The fentanyl vaccine.
Really good information, Doctor. Appreciate you being with us this morning. It's highly enlightening. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Okay. Pete, over to you.
Very interesting. I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.